Blockchain startup Elrond rebrands to focus on metaverse. This could be a really good move down the road as metaverse will become even more popular. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, blockchain startup Elrond has rebranded itself MultiversX to reflect its pivot to metaverse exploration. Now, Elrond will aim to build on its prior work as a layer 1 blockchain with a focus on scalability to advanced Web3 technology in the form of metaverse-related products. I'm liking this. I'm really liking this because Elrond does have the talent to pull this off in the future. Now, the metaverse world where the internet theoretically becomes an immersive virtual environment that can be used as work, play, socializing, and events. Now, with the rebranding, Elrond would appear to be following the lead of social media giant Facebook, which last year renamed itself Meta to reflect its metaverse-related aspirations. This could be a really good move down the road as in rebranding themselves now, work on the technology, get everything together, and then boom, Elrond now is a metaverse powerful project, but we'll have to wait and see what happens with this transition. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And you have been watching the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.